Most people work their entire lives to build something to leave behind to their family members. But the truth is, inheritance can create major challenges and could cost thousands and thousands of dollars. So let's take a look at the 5 biggest mistakes I've seen and how you can go about avoiding them. So the first one is not having your beneficiaries updated. You should be looking at these every single year. Did you know that the onus falls on you, not the institution, to make sure that the beneficiaries that you want, the assets go to them? Number 2, leaving things that can create tax time bombs. I've seen many people put non-IRA money into annuities to defer them now to pay later at a much higher tax rate. Making sure that your beneficiaries are set up to individuals to make sure that they get it tax efficiently. And please don't forget that step up in base, which will really allow your heirs to get the money tax-free. Before I go over the next 3, download our guide below that will give you some additional information on how to improve your situation. Number 3, the dreaded probate nightmares. Do you know that probate can take over 2 years to settle, and it can cost your estate between 8 and 12%? And you could have avoided all of this by creating a living trust. Now, I've seen people put their kids on their property and their bank accounts. This is a major mistake because you can have tax consequences. And number 2, you'll have liability issues if one of them has a car accident or they're sued. Do not do that. Talk to an estate planning attorney to make sure that yours is customized. Number 4, not communicating with your loved ones. Making sure that they're aware where important documents are is also essential so that they're not having to rummage through files and closets to find these important records. Number 5, having a survival guide, what we call a summary. It is a document that accompanies a living trust, and it is to give your family members, who's in charge, a roadmap to how to go about settling the estate. It will tell them if you own a safety deposit box, where life insurance is, the documents are, who to call upon your death, Social Security Administration. It will also give them step-by-step instructions on how to settle the estate without the aid of an attorney. We've seen estate planning attorneys charge 2 to 5% of the entire estate to settle. You can avoid this with this very simple document. You've worked too hard for your money to have simple mistakes. Waste it. With the right plan, you can pass on more and protect your family way into the future.